Hello guys, my name is Efwa and I'm here to tell you the best sites to learn Python in 2019. So I'm gonna give you 3 sites and 1 mobile app. Python has grown exponentially over the years because of the use of it in machine learning, data science, and much more. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first website that you can learn Python in is Udemy. This is the best out of the 3 I'm going to mention because personally I think the teacher of this class is amazing. The name of the class is called Python, the Complete Python Bootcamp, Go from Zero to Hero in Python 3. So you should check this one out. And the second one is on Pluralsight. Pluralsight is another e-learning platform, and this course is called Python Fundamentals. And the third one is a mobile app and also a web app called SoloLearn. SoloLearn is an interactive platform where students can go in and learn Python, C#, JavaScript, Java, and much more. Give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and yeah.